Meaning of examine.
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 Examine. The word examine means to inspect or scrutinize something closely in order to understand, assess, or evaluate it. The process of examining involves careful observation, analysis, and interpretation of information or evidence to form a conclusion or make a judgment. By examining something, one gains a deeper understanding of its properties, characteristics, or qualities. This can be done through various means such as observation, testing, or research. The result of an examination is typically a more comprehensive and informed understanding of the subject being examined.